talk to you for just a little bit?
Sure.
Okay.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. I'm Emily, and this
Matthew.
is Matthew. We're new here at Mississippi State, and our parents told us we have to figure out what we want to be when we grow up. And we are really lost.
We were thinking about being an engineer, but we don't know what it is.
Really?
I thought engineers drove trains and built cars and stuff. I don't know.
Well, check this out.
Ooh.
What do you see around you that it excites you? What do you see around you that you want to know everything about? What is your passion? The field of engineering is personal. You make it what you want it to be. A degree in engineering shows that you have exquisite problem-solving skills.
Computer engineers get to design, program, and use supercomputers to solve practical problems in fields such as automotive design, naval architecture, environmental protection, resource management, meteorology, space exploration, agriculture, and aircraft design, and more.
In biological and chemical engineering, we do water tests and all sorts of stuff to save and help human life.
What's going on, guys? What are you guys doing today?
Oh, we're just working on some technology to save the streams of Mississippi.
Awesome. These guys are biological engineers, and besides wearing lab coats, they're also students, and all sorts of other great things.
In biological engineering, we work with the latest and greatest technologies to make everything from pharmaceuticals to biofuels.
Yeah. You may ask yourself, what exactly is engineering and what do we do as engineers? Well, have you ever played on a computer? Have you ever ridden in a car? Behind me, a manufacturing plant where they make everything from that computer to that car. But let's say you're a little bit more outdoor oriented. You can be a civil engineer who make our buildings as well as our homes that we live in. Right here I'm standing on a skyscraper. Pretty cool. But if you're a really nature-oriented person, you may consider being a biological engineer or a water quality specialist, where they sample everything from the streams that we swim in to the groundwater we drink.
How in the world do lungs and engineering go together? Well, that's the cool thing. Engineers are studying the airflow through lungs, so you can get into the medical industry. You can help doctors by supplying and creating tools that can help you breathe better. What else? This stuff. This is cool. You know what this is? An F-16. Do you know that engineers are the brains behind this bad guy? That's pretty cool.
As a computer engineer, besides designing the latest in technology, I get to use the latest advancements in remote sensing to do everything from detecting invasive species in the environment to detecting problems with Mississippi River levees.
This kind of stuff is what causes planes to crash. My research involves studying what happens to wings when they get ice on them so that we can prevent it from happening in the future.
This is way better than a desktop!
While manufacturing is important and engineers are heavily involved in it, the one thing we need to make sure is water quality standards in the United States, and that's what my research is all about. I conduct water quality tests including sediment, which is basically dirt in the water, as well as chemicals in the water. And that research is helping to make sure the water that we drink, as well as play in, is safe for both you and me. This is bad.
Hey Shane, it's alright, don't worry about it. I actually had them do this on purpose. You know, it's kind of a cool way to show that engineering is literally everywhere in our world. The technology we're using today was used and designed by engineers.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
I know, right?
Oh no, not math.
What? Math's awesome. Come on, you gotta like math.
But what can I use it for in engineering?
Oh my gosh, math is everywhere in engineering. But you know what? Don't let it scare you. Stuff like this is kind of scary, but there's always somebody who will help you through it. And speaking of numbers, Shane, something else you have to consider when choosing a career is your salary. You gotta live, and money is living. A lot of the times.
Go ahead, Shane. No. Unfortunately, with engineering, Salary is pretty moderate. You can make anywhere from $60,000 to up to $120,000 starting out. And that's a pretty good living.
But you know what? Never, 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 ever pick your career based on the salary.
Exactly.
So this is what it's all about.
Awesome.
All right. I can work with that. This is easier than I thought.